Hey, Sarah. Are you coming to the party tonight? Everyone is going to be there. Music, food, dancing, everything.
I really wish I could come, but I can't. I have a huge exam on Monday morning, and I'm not ready at all.
But it's Friday night. You've been studying all week. You can relax a little and study tomorrow.
No, I can't relax. This exam covers the whole semester, and honestly, I feel like I know nothing. I really need to hit the books.
You always say that. You hit the books every weekend. Sometimes you need a break.
I know, but this time it's serious. If I fail this test, my parents will be so angry.
You won't fail. You're smart. One night of fun won't hurt.
Maybe for you. For me, it's different. I'll be hitting the books all weekend.
Wow, that sounds really boring. Studying all weekend?
Yes, very boring, but also very necessary.
All right. How about this? I'll bring you pizza later. You can eat and study.
That would be nice, but please don't stay long. When I hit the books, I need to focus.
Okay, I get it. Good luck hitting the books.
Thanks. Have fun at the party for me.
I will. I'll dance extra hard for you.
Don't forget me when you're famous on the dance floor.
Never. Bye.
All right, deep breath. Chapter 1. Let's do this.
I can't do this anymore. My legs are shaking. I need to stop.
No, you don't. Look ahead. You're almost at the finish line. Hang in there.
It feels like my legs are going to fall off. Everything hurts.
That's normal. Everyone feels pain near the end. Just hang in there.
Why did I ever sign up for this race? I could be at home on the couch.
You signed up because you wanted to prove something to yourself.
Right now, I want to prove I can quit.
No quitting. Just hang in there a little longer.
Look at that old lady passing me. She's smiling. I'm dying.
She's probably been running for 30 years. Focus on yourself.
I feel sick. I think I'm going to throw up.
That's totally normal. Throw up if you need to. Then keep running.
You are a terrible friend.
I know, but I'm a helpful, terrible friend. Hang in there.
Is there food at the end? Please tell me there's food.
Yes, pizza. Big pizza. Ice cream too.
Okay. I'm running.
That's it. Keep going. Hang in there.
Hang in there, legs. Don't fail me now.
Tom, I need 3 steaks, 2 salads, and 1 soup, right now.
Already working on it, chef. Steaks are cooking, salads are ready.
That was fast. Are the steaks medium rare?
Yes, chef, exactly medium rare.
What about the gluten-free order?
Table 4, no bread, extra vegetables. It's already served.
Wow, you're really on the ball tonight.
Thank you, chef. I feel very focused today.
What changed? You're usually slower on Fridays.
I drank 5 coffees. My heart is racing, but my brain is sharp.
Whatever works. Just stay on the ball.
Wait, table 6 changed their order. Chicken instead of fish.
Already fixed. Chicken is cooking now.
You did that already?
Yes, chef. I saw it coming. I'm on the ball.
You're making me nervous, but I like it.
No worries, chef. Everything is under control.
All right, keep moving.
Yes, chef. On the ball.
So, how did your big presentation go?
Don't ask. It was a complete disaster.
Oh no, really?
Yes, the whole thing went down in flames.
What happened first?
My computer froze. The slides wouldn't open.
That's bad.
Then I spilled coffee on the investor.
Oh no, on him?
Yes, on his white shirt.
Please tell me it got better.
It didn't. He shouted at me in front of everyone.
That's awful.
Then I forgot his name.
Oh, Tom, your presentation really went down in flames.
My career went down in flames too.
Maybe send him an apology email.
Maybe. With donuts.
Donuts help everything.
I'll eat the donuts myself. Sad donuts.
Tom, why are you on crutches?
I broke my leg last week. Fell down the stairs.
That's terrible. You must be miserable.
Actually, not really.
How? You can't even walk.
It was a blessing in disguise.
Breaking your leg is good luck?
Yes, I met a beautiful nurse at the hospital.
Seriously?
Yes, she was kind, funny, and very cute.
Did you talk to her?
I did. We're going on a date tomorrow.
Wow, that really is a blessing in disguise.
And I get 2 weeks off work.
Okay, now I'm jealous.
Don't be. Breaking a leg hurts a lot.
I'll find another way to meet cute nurses. Tom, please stop that sound.
What sound?
Your pen, clicking non-stop. It's driving me up the wall.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
You've been doing it for an hour.
It helps me think.
It's making me crazy.
Okay, I'll stop.
Now you're tapping your foot.
Am I?
Yes, and it's also driving me up the wall.
I have too much energy today.
Then use it somewhere else.
Fine. I'll go outside.
Thank you.
I'll go drive Dave up the wall instead.
Tom, look at this kitchen. Dishes everywhere. How did this happen? Relax, relax. It's not that bad. Not that bad? The sink is full. The counter is full. The floor is dirty. Okay. But really, that's just the tip of the iceberg. What do you mean, just the tip of the iceberg? I mean, there's more mess. More? Where could there possibly be more? Well, maybe check the living room? The living room? Why would the living room be messy? I may have eaten there. A lot. Oh my God. Pizza boxes everywhere. Cups, bags, plates everywhere. See? I told you. The kitchen was just the tip of the iceberg. This is unbelievable. How long has this been here? Just a week. Maybe 2. 2 weeks? This place smells terrible. Yeah, I had a very lazy week. Or 2. This isn't laziness, Tom. This is a disaster. I was busy. Busy doing what? Video games. Important missions. Your mission now is cleaning this house. Okay, we can clean together. Yes, right now. No excuses. But it's so big. Where do we even start? We start here with the dishes. Or, hear me out, we burn the house down and start fresh. No. It was just an idea. Get the soap, get the sponge, and open the windows. Yes, boss. And next time, don't tell me it's just the tip of the iceberg. Lesson learned. Icebergs are dangerous.